Hello, I'm Tien from See You in Vietnam. Vietnamese bread or banh mi is a very popular street food.
Very crunchy.
Today I'll show you how to make a simple vegan banh mi. Let's begin. The ingredients to make a vegan banh mi are tofu, leek, cucumber, daikon, carrot, chili, baguette, vegan pate. At first, we make the pickled carrot and daikon. Slice the carrot and daikon thinly. Mix with 1 tablespoon of salt. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. Squeeze the pickle to extract the water inside carrot and daikon. Take it out and wash again with water and put into a jar. Add some water, then mix 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Wait for 30 minutes. You can keep this in the fridge to use for 1 to 2 weeks. Slice the cucumber and chili. Cut the tofu. Then we make the sauce. Chop leeks and put in a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of chili powder, and some water. Stir well. Put the tofu into the sauce. Fry tofu to golden brown both sides. And boil the remaining of the sauce for about 30 seconds. Cut the baguette on one side to open. Spread vegan pate. I also have another video about how to make vegan pate with mushroom and tofu, so you can subscribe my channel to watch more.
Okay.
Add some cucumber, cilantro, the pickle, tofu, and some chili. Add some sauce at the end and enjoy. You can see it looks so yummy, and I think I can eat this vegan banh mi every single day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in other videos.